Here I have the Beauty Goodies lunch bag. Take a look. This is such a pretty purse. It actually looks just like a regular like handbag. Take a look at how beautiful this is. If you would just show me this bag by itself, I would not know that this is a lunch bag. As you can see, it has a little pocket back here. It actually has the space where you could put something back there. Take a look at the nice gold handles, beautiful texture. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside, and that's where you will actually see that this is a lunch bag. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It does have two little magnet attachments there, so those actually latch on for secure and tight closure. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. Take a look. This still looks like a regular purse, but take a look at that inside. It is nice and insulated, ready for you to put your meals in here, and they'll stay nice and fresh for you throughout the day. Also, another feature that this purse has, you could actually hold it like this, or I'm going to go ahead and show you the other attachment if in case you want to hold it like a purse. Okay, so here is the attachments. You could just go ahead and latch one of these, well, both of these actually, but one on each side. So we're going to go ahead and latch one on this side and one on the other side, just like that. And then there you go. You could go ahead and hold it across your body and take it on the go with you, like I said. And then take a look at the bottom. It does have these little bases right here, so it'll prevent it from getting scuffed up or scratched on the bottom. But overall, great quality product. I'm so surprised on how amazing this looks, and this actually just looks like a regular purse. So I definitely recommend if you want to take your lunch in here or just use it as a cute little purse. 10 out of 10.